Okay. Hey everybody. It's Destin again, doing things I don't know how to do. You know, sometimes your wife comes to you and she looks at you and she's like, can you do a man thing? And you know, you want to say yes, but you're not sure. Then you wind up on the roof of your camper poking at things. You don't know what they do. There's something in here it says risk of electric shock can cause injury or death. Disconnect all remote electric power supplies before servicing. Sometimes it happens, but we're going to learn today. No, we're going to change the fan motor. The motor in the air conditioner. It's not been working for like over a year. It's kind of worked a little bit. You could start it and then it would stop. And we thought it was a capacitor, and I changed the capacitor and it still does the same thing. So now we're up here doing the motor. So hopefully this motor fixes it, and we have to hurry because it's going to get dark soon. So now let's go. That's no good. That's really magnetic.
Is that normal?
Think I know that answer?
And we got the motor on Amazon. I think, right?
Yeah, we got the motor on Amazon. Let's get that thing. See if it even looks the same. Let's see. I don't know if any of these numbers are the same.
Hey, that looks the same. Do you want me to read the numbers out to you?
I think it's the same. Let me see if I can find the numbers first. Let's see. I don't know what any of that means. Yeah, this number is completely different, but it looks the same. We'll take it out and see if it's the same. We'll get this off. How does that come off?
Oh. Look at us problem solving.
That part's done. Okay. So what I saw in the video that I watched for 30 seconds is that there's the motor right here. His cable was actually wrapped up nice. Ours is apparently just running to that garbage box right there. So
It's still wrapped up pretty good.
yeah, so we just have to replace all these wires that don't look the same for some reason. And first thing I need to do is I think I need to mess around with that and cross those so I don't die. So we're gonna do that.
Just don't touch the capacitor, right?
It's metal.
Oh.
This is metal.
If you touch the outside of the capacitor, will you get electrocuted?
That's so the dangerous parts, not that part now, is like the tops of those.
Okay.
Can't even touch those together.
I like how you're holding the screwdriver.
Because I don't want to die.
Well, you have to take that off. You have to take the capacitor off.
I have to take some of this off. I don't exactly know which one yet, but there's a brown and a white cable coming. And I don't know if it's that one and that one, but we're going to have to see when it comes up. So, I can get this off. If I'm very careful. Get this off too, if I make it easier. Okay, it's not going to come off till I take the other thing off. So. Should let go. That came off before. Okay, I know what I need to do. I'm going home. I'll be. There you go. Yeah. I'm really trying to let it not slam into the fans behind it.
Are you really pulling that hard
Yeah.
to where your face is going?
Yeah, because listen, there's a bunch of little delicate fan blades back here that I don't want to slam it into because it'll just jack it all up. So I'm trying to get this off of here like the nicest way I can, but It's not wanting to play very nice. Come here. Can you hold it from that side again?
Yeah, let me put this down.
Okay, so we got that together. That's got the screw. This right here is the next thing. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. The right size. Nobody will know.
Oh, you got it out. How'd you do it?
That was scary. I don't really know. Something like I just took the screws off. Yeah, I know how.
Okay. I just heard your neck crack. Whoa. Get it, get it! You almost risked your life for that little thing.
This, I don't know.
You just winging it?
Yeah, I'm just guessing a lot of things. Why?
So should people take this video as advice?
No, do not. Do not take this advice. What's wrong with you? No. There's some idiot up on his roof picking at things like a bird trying to find some seeds. That's all this is. Don't get it confused. So I need this. And this goes over here. And I'm supposed to be jacking around with this a little bit. And there's supposed to be a way to open it. These two go somewhere else.
There's two different yellow ones on here.
Yeah, so there's going to be a yellow, black, and red. You see a yellow, black, and red?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to figure out where to put these in there.
Okay.
And
so we need to cut this black thing?
That would probably make it easier, I guess. I need to get a knife.
The sun's going down quick, you guys.
I know.
Bring a headlamp.
I'll be up here a little bit longer. I gotta find a knife. Let's see what's going on a little bit better at least.
Now it is.
Okay, so we figured out how to do this. At least it looks like it's off. I don't know if that comes all the way off. I'm gonna try to take one of these pins out. If this yellow one, there's two yellow ones, which I don't know which one's going where. One's got yellow and one is yellow green. And my only yellow green goes over there. So I'm just gonna take this big fat yellow one out and put this yellow one in. Yeah, that seems like a plan. So take that out, will it come out? Yeah, okay. Okay, so I got that out. And before I forget,
That's the yellow green.
I'm gonna put this back in.
That's yellow. That's a different color.
Oh my God, we almost blew up the whole house. Excuse me.
That's why you should always have a woman with you when
That's
you're
right.
doing this.
She'll tell you about it. It's in there. And red. Red is out. Red is back in. Okay, they're all back in there, and I'm assuming you just push this back down. Film of that real quick. I gotta take off this little white one right here and that brown one, I think.
I thought when you touch the top you get electrocuted.
Well, not the metal part on the top. I really need a needle nose for this. Wow, that wasn't even connected. Okay, did you get a film where it was at?
Yeah, right next to the red one.
In there. And I had this on the far side of the green one. Okay, so I gotta do some finagling right there. I don't want to lose that yellow one. The yellow one needs to stay over here too. I don't know where the yellow one came from. Red one is out. Black one. And the regular yellow one. Okay, those are out. That side's free now. Just have to get those. The green one is underneath there for some reason. It went around and underneath there. Okay, got that done. And now I just got to get those out somehow. I don't want that to fall on there. Done.
Let me hold it.
I got it. Done. Okay. There's only a few things left. Oh, please be the right ones. Yeah, motor's out. Be a good time to
do a recap.
Yeah, okay. Do a recap. That's the old motor and that's the new one. Pretty easy to tell which is which. That one's dirty and crusty. That one's new from China. Okay. So I've taken it all apart. We've lost most of our light. We have to hurry. It was kind of scary. We got a kit. All the cables was the same. Like, at least they look the same. We're gonna plug it in and find out if they were the same. I'm gonna work to hook it up as fast as I can. Going backwards, I'm gonna take and just wrap those cables around the little black pack since I can't run them through there. And I'll probably tape them with electrical tape at some point. I don't know if it's gonna happen right now. But yeah, this doesn't look too hard. We're gonna find out if it worked. And yeah, that's where we're at. Oh no. I made a mistake.
Why? Why?
I made a mistake.
What mistake?
I was supposed to put those cables through that little hole first. It's not the worst mistake in the world, but it's definitely not.
Can you take this out and just put the whole thing through? Oh, never mind.
So I gotta undo those pins, which is fine. Let's go.
You put it in that hole, and then you put it through there, and put it in the box.
Here's the problem right now.
What?
Is I gotta get this stuff through here. This has to go through there. Okay, got it. Please don't go up there and touch that. It's through. That one, is it through? No. Got this through. Where's the other one? Right here. Let's put this where it goes real quick.
Are you ready for the nuts?
Yeah, give me your nuts. Actually, no, I'm not ready for the nuts.
Okay.
Because we're gonna do this the right way. Because what happened before is we couldn't get nothing apart to put it back where it was supposed to go.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're gonna do now is can you see it on camera? Like what I was thinking?
Yeah, which way it goes in.
Yeah, you can see it. Like
Do you know? It probably doesn't
I
even
think
matter.
that's the way we were mashing up. So I'm gonna
Oh
put that
yeah,
under
that's
that
right.
one.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this on. Put it on just like that. I'm gonna mess up. About messed up.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. It's on there. Hey, there's some information. I think the first time I did something up here with this thing, this was these cages and this fan and stuff were considered like parts, like people would buy extra pieces because they break, because they're made out of plastic.
These things right here?
These fins right here.
Oh.
Why is it stuck? What's your issue?
It looks too low. For some reason. Look, it's like rubbing down there on the bottom.
It is too low. Right there. There's better. That's how it's supposed to spin too.
You
Just
gotta
like
sing
that.
the song.
Helicopter, helicopter. There we go. Where is this thing?
Where are you whistling at?
Your dad.
Oh.
Now we're just gonna put it back where it goes here. And you know what? Ah, that's not good. That was supposed to not be like that.
Oh, crap. Did you just bend it?
Just put it back in. They're made out of rubber.
Oh, okay.
That one's coming back out again. There you go. Okay.
It doesn't look the same.
Girl.
Oh my god.
It's the same. It's just a little bit.
Okay. Cool. Looks great.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now I need the little nuts. Give me one zip tie, please. Thank you.
There's a yellow jacket.
Is it? Stop it. Don't scare me.
Oh my god, you pissed it off.
Blue, black, yellow looks like.
We should get food after this.
Should we?
As a celebration.
Yeah.
Did you finish it? How are you missing screws? Check your pockets.
So, something's going down. We don't know if it works yet. We're gonna check it out. But if you're thinking about doing it, it's like 6 little wires and a drill, and it's not very hard. You're gonna watch a video. You'll get lucky like I did when I typed in my exact model number and get the right one. You get the same color, and we're gonna see if it turns on. And if it does, you could probably do it. Is it dangerous? Probably. It says you can die. Should you do it? I'm not telling you to do that. Did I do it? Yeah. And if it works, anybody could probably do it. Let's go see. Hey, owner. How you doing, buddy? He says, please work. Please work, air conditioner.
I'm gonna put on fan first.
Turn it all the way on.
High?
Turn it on. Yeah, high.
No, I think we have to soft turn it on.
Why?
Because someone in the RV group says that we should. Well, that's a good sign, because it wasn't even doing that for a while.
Yeah, that's nice. At least that cut on right away.
Well, did the fan just cut on? That click?
No, cut on. Ain't cold yet. Give it a second. At least it moves the air. It's been bad with like no AC. It's not terrible. Like at night's alright, but it's starting to get hot enough where it's like, I wish I had air conditioner. You know?
When we did the capacitor, it worked for a couple hours and shut off again, so I'll do an update in a couple days. Or tomorrow morning or something.